What's up guys, Peter from Panda here. Hey, I bought this Sun Joe wood chipper and shredder. I'm doing a lot of pruning of trees around here, ending up with a lot of branches and logs. And this little bad boy is an electric wood chipper. I could actually buy mulch, so I thought, why not just chip those branches, put them down where I would normally purchase and use mulch, and just do it all myself. So this thing works on different types of branches, at most about 1.5 inches. It really depends on the wood type, so a little thinner for harder woods, a little thicker for softer woods. But let's open it up, take a look inside, and then plug it in and give it a try. All right, got the thing assembled here. It didn't take that long, but just follow the instructions. First of all, you just have to put this axle bar in and get the wheels attached and the covers on, and then basically you're just putting in a couple screws here to hold this bottom bracket on. The paddle attaches to a little clamp on the side there. That's for pushing down the leaves. Now here is the device itself. And one thing I will say is that it has this locking nut here that kind of holds the top portion down, the clamshell down. So you just unscrew it like this, and then this part lifts away, and now you can see the innards of this bad boy, you know, the spinning blade and all that hardware in there. So you'll just close that down and lock it back down, screw it back down. There also is a power switch here, on, off. It's not plugged in, and you can see that little cover on there. It's removed to lock, and I think if you remove this, you won't be able to power it on. So another little safety device right there. And then you have the circuit breaker here. That's for overloads. You know, you put something big in there, it can't spin the blade. I think you'll end up tripping the circuit breaker, so you can push this and reset it. Power cord right here, and you're going to want to plug it in to an extension cord, heavy duty extension cord preferably. Oops, the little spacer in there is broken. It does not have a grounded prong on it, so you can just plug it into pretty much anything. And they actually say in the instructions to kind of loop the cords together in time so that you don't have pressure pulling on this, pulling it out. The pusher here is just like a paddle, and so when you get your branches in there and you're trying to get the last bits down, it fits here in this opening and kind of pushes down. That'll keep you from getting your fingers anywhere near the shredder. So now we have to just plug it in and try shredding some branches. All right, so here's the chipper. I've got a branch that's about 1 inch in diameter, maybe just a smidge under. Let's give it a try. Well, wow, that thing went fast. The blade's gonna take it in on their own. And look at these chips. These are really small. I mean, that is a pretty fine mulch, much finer than what I actually purchased. So that's great. This is gonna be awesome. Looking forward to chipping a lot more. And that inch branch, it took it like it was nothing. So check it out. I will put a link to it in the description. Check out all my links if you want to help out the channel. But this Sun Joe chipper, trimmer, wood eater is fantastic. Peter from Panda, out.